I'm Ellis Barrie from the Marram up in Anglesey, and I'm here today to get involved with the L20 College. Hopefully source some staff at the new Liverpool restaurant whilst I'm at it. But no, just to get involved and showcase my dishes to the students. Well, what's it like working with L20? Well, it's my second time here, so it can't be too bad. Some of the youngsters onto the second year, last year they were on the first year. It's great to see them back. Very engaged, you know, there's a lot of passion there, and it's nice to see. You know, it's good to get into the colleges, and I think more chefs could get into the college, showcase the industry to the students. I think it can only be positive. We all need staff. I started off in the industry when I was 15, working for a gent called Chris Marshall, who gave me my first job at the Radisson Hotel on Old Hall Street. Chris gets involved with the L20 school as well, so you know, he texts me saying, make sure you get involved, otherwise you're dead meat. I still have that fear for my head chef, which I don't think will ever go away. But since then, I had the Marram, started out when I was 19, done a few TV programmes, Great British Menu, came here last year to be involved with the youngsters with Mr. Porky Askew. And back today, about a few months off, setting up my second restaurant on the Albert Dock in Liverpool, or in the Albert Dock in Liverpool, or in the Albert Dock on the Albert Dock. What I love about the L20 Hotel School is that the youngsters are getting a true experience in the running of an actual restaurant. Okay, they've got the classes, but then they're going into a real kitchen. You know, we've got 60 covers tonight. Mother's Day, they've done 70, 80. You know, it's a proper working restaurant. People go into catering, especially, and maybe I'm talking about myself more, are more hands-on. That experience is crucial. So to go to college and be involved in the actual running of a kitchen is almost it is a must, and they are doing it here. I've noticed that more colleges are starting to take similar action. I almost feel like L20 are the ones who started it. Nice one. Thanks for having me.